Hey friends, we're at Safeway. I'm gonna get some stuff for Thanksgiving. I wanted to share a shop with you. So first, I guess Justin got a sushi.
Yes, like Hawaiian roll.
You know Safeway has good sushi.
It's really good actually.
So here's what's in our cart for now. We got some bread. We have Chessman minis. The kids asked to get them, so we got 2. I'm a sucker for these Le Petites. I love them. We got organic mini cheese sandwiches. The kids are whispering because they are so smart. They're like, mommy's filming. We got vanilla cookies, goldfish, some Ritz. These are all for like lunch boxes, you know? And this is what it's like. Going to the grocery store with my little boys. Hi! We're getting this because Jacob said he wanted waffles. So Justin likes to make smoothies every morning, so we're gonna get this. Blueberry, strawberry, and mango. What else, honey?
Let's see, maybe...
The mixed berries?
Yeah, mixed berries.
Yes, we're gonna get one of those mixed berries too. We're gonna get some TP. We love ourselves some Charmin. Oh, we're getting the 36 count. You guys, Zest has a new body wash. I'm gonna try it in Blissful. It smells like berries. Justin, remember the song, you're not fully clean unless you're zestfully clean. I'm in the cat section. I'm gonna get cat treats for my kitties. I'm gonna get this and this. Whiskas, this flavor, and this one for my kitties. I'm holding the Temptations here, both flavors, the yellow one too, but I also want to get this for my cats. You got some Nespressos.
They sell it at Safeway now, like
Campania, Ristretto, Apulia, and ooh, okay, can I get a flavor? Is there different? Oh, you got the whole flavor. Okay. Are you sure? They're picking their cereal.
You think you'll like Frosted Mini Wheats?
You've never had Frosted Mini Wheats, Jakes.
Because my mom has that.
Oh, okay. Okay. Jakey, go ahead and pick something, sweetie.
You like Life too, Jakey? Like Bubby?
I'm getting coffee creamer, you guys. Christiana, I watch her. Flip Side of the Moon, I'm obsessed with her, and she loves this coffee creamer, so I gotta try it. I mean, I've tried it before with milk tea and stuff, but I don't get it regularly, so today is the day. Justin's excited. They have Mighty Leaf. So what flavor, baby? Oh, nectar. African nectar, yes. Are we getting 2?
This is, yeah.
Why not?
It's hard to find.
Yeah.
It's really good.
True. We're gonna get some strawberry bars for the boys' lunches and stuff. This is new. It's strawberry bars, but little bite sizes. So I'm gonna get this too for packing for like the school lunches. We're getting condensed milk.
Getting some cane sugar, some all-purpose flour, some active dry yeast, and some powdered sugar.
I'm gonna get some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I like Full House because they don't have like the regular size. Let's be honest, I like them all, but I'm in charge of all the desserts for Thanksgiving, so that's why everything's like sugar, flour, baking soda, sugar. But yeah, I'm gonna get this, but I need more. Let's do both of these.
I also got this Go-Go Squeeze multi-pack fruit on the go flavor.
Vegetable oil for baking.
I also got this Crispix. This is my cereal that I eat sometimes, and I also got a multi-pack of oatmeal.
Okay, we're gonna get some of these for like the Thanksgiving potluck.
Yeah, the disposable ones always come in handy.
Those are good, but I'm thinking, is one enough?
Maybe a couple, yeah.
Buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting vanilla extract too. We need a bunch of butter for baking, so we're gonna get unsalted. I'm gonna get 2 of these. I need whole milk for baking. We got a bunch of eggs for baking and eating, and then heavy cream for making whipped cream.
And also some whole milk.
Which one?
That one.
Over
Mommy,
here.
what are these kinds?
Those are regular.
You can have those. That's a pineapple yogurt. Would you like to try it? Yeah. Okay,
I
we're
like
gonna
pineapple.
we're gonna get a pina colada yogurt for Liam. Here's a close-up of what it looks like.
Can you have it right now?
Please have it right now. Yes. He loves these gimmies. We're gonna buy like 3 of these. I usually make the pie crust myself, but I'm making so many desserts. I'm making lemon bars, cookies, pumpkin pie from scratch, except for the pie crust because I'm getting this. We're getting some grapes, Justin's favorites. And then we're also getting strawberries. Liam's having a potluck at school, so we're gonna get this for Liam.
This one has more cantaloupe.
Okay, that. Okay, which one do you want?
It looks the same, but okay.
Okay, that one then. We need lemons for the lemon bar. Can you put it in the bag for Mama's? 1. Can we get 6? 2. Actually, 4. 4 is enough. 3. And 1 more. And 4. We're getting bananas. Here you go, Papas. No, these are a little too, right? These are perfect because we still have some at home.
Banana.
Yeah. So we're gonna get these carrots. What do you
I
have?
want to buy a cucumber.
A cucumber? Okay, let's put it in a bag. Or actually, we don't need to put it in a bag. Potato, big muscles. Green onion.
Now we got some green onion.
This?
Yes, sir. Just grab one of those.
What does the orange mean?
It's kind of like, yeah, it is. It's a little orangish yellow. But do you know what letter onion starts with? Onion.
No.
Look at the thing down here. Right there. What letter does onion start with?
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Raspberries. Thank you. We're getting raspberries.
Yeah.
Mommy, can I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want
Yeah, you can pick, honey.
What do you want, buddy?
strawberry.
Oh, I think we actually got a big one like that. So I don't think we don't need a big one like that. Then we got some medium cheddar cheese. You guys know the struggle of waiting in line with 2 rambunctious kids.
Hey friends, this clip is from home, but I wanted to share these are pie pumpkins so that I can make pumpkin pie with them. Hey friends, I hope that you guys enjoyed our shop with me at Safeway. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys next time.